Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2016 Ram ProMaster City Wagon SLT. Powering this full-size passenger van is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 8 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Accessing the cargo area, you can do it from either the driver and passenger sliding doors, or come around to the back and you have your folding rear doors to show your large cargo area. Moving to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors, premium cloth seats. On the steering wheel is your hands-free audio and cruise control settings. This van is currently sitting at 95,277 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Bluetooth ready, as well as your backup camera. Your climate controls, auxiliary audio jack, and USB port. Additional storage at the top of the dash, as well as on the passenger side dash. You also have larger storage at the very top along the roof. Thank you for watching this walk-around video of the 2015 Ram ProMaster City Wagon. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.